Are rats and mice crashing your garden party? Or maybe they're auditioning for Rat Hell's kitchen in your pantry? Don't worry, we've got your back. Today, we're talking about the top plants that'll make rats and mice rethink their life choices. And hey, if you love gardening tips with a side of laughs, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let's go over the top plants that deter rats and mice. Mint, nature's rodent eviction notice. First up, mint. This herb is like a superhero for your garden. Its superpower? Scaring away rats and mice with its smell. It's so strong that rodents probably think it's toxic waste. And trust me, they'll do a 180 faster than you can say peppermint tea. Pro tip, plant mint in pots, or it'll take over your garden like that one friend who always hogs the karaoke mic. Oh, and when life gives you mint, make mojitos. Rats hate those too. Lavender. Rodents hate spa days. Next up is lavender, basically nature's aromatherapy candle. While we humans adore its calming scent, rats and mice are like, ew, what is that? Lavender's strong oils mess with their senses, and they'll head for the hills. Plant lavender near windows or along garden borders, and you'll have a rodent-free, Instagram-worthy oasis. Bonus, you can use it to make DIY sachets or just sniff it when life gets stressful. No judgment here. Garlic, the vampire of rodent control. Garlic doesn't just repel Dracula, it's the ultimate anti-rodent weapon. The smell is so potent, it's like a personal force field for your home. Just crush a few cloves and place them near entry points, and rats will run faster than I do when someone mentions cardio. Fun fact, garlic is also great for your garden. It repels bugs and protects plants. Double win. Just don't eat all the garlic bread before you get to planting. Been there, done that. Onions. Tears for fears. And rodents. Who needs pest control when you have onions? Their strong, tear-inducing smell sends rodents packing. Plus, onions are easy to grow and look great in your veggie patch. Place slices of raw onion near places where rodents like to sneak in. But fair warning, they can stink up your house. Maybe don't do this right before hosting a dinner party, unless you want to be that neighbor. Rosemary. Rodent-free and ready to roast. Ah, rosemary. This fragrant herb isn't just great for seasoning chicken, it's also a rodent repellent. Rats can't stand its earthy, pine-like aroma. They smell it and think, nope, not today. Plant rosemary in sunny spots or pots near your outdoor seating area. It'll keep rodents away while making your garden smell like a 5-star kitchen. And if you're feeling fancy, clip some sprigs for cocktails or DIY air fresheners. Classy and effective. Marigolds, flower power against pests. Bright, beautiful, and bold. Marigolds are like the bodyguards of your garden. Their strong scent acts like pepper spray for rodents. These flowers aren't just pretty, they mean business. Plant marigolds around your veggies, and they'll act as a natural barrier. Bonus, they also repel bugs like aphids, so you get double the pest control with zero effort. Who knew flowers could be so hardcore? Catnip, for cats, not rats. Catnip is like a party for cats and a nightmare for rodents. Its scent screams danger to rats, probably because it attracts their natural predator, your furry feline overlord. Plant catnip in your garden, and your cat will be entertained while the rats are packing their bags. Just don't be surprised if you wake up to a catnip rave happening in your backyard. Daffodils, pretty and poisonous to pests. Daffodils are the mean girls of the garden, pretty to look at but totally toxic to rodents. They contain licorine, a natural compound that rodents find unappetizing. Plant them around the perimeter of your garden as a stylish yet functional fence. Rats will stay far away, and you'll get a spring bloom that makes your neighbors jealous. Eucalyptus, a breath of fresh air. Eucalyptus smells amazing to us but makes rodents gag. Plant it in your garden, and they'll be out faster than you can say, koala. If you don't have space for a tree, no worries. A few drops of eucalyptus oil on cotton balls near rodent entry points work just as well. It's like aromatherapy for humans, pest control for rodents. So there you have it. Plants that make rats rethink their life choices. No traps, no chemicals, Just Mother Nature doing her thing. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more gardening hacks, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out. Got your own rodent repelling tips? Drop them in the comments below. We love learning from you guys. Until next time, happy gardening, and may your home be rodent-free. You can grow it.